In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design a login form in Figma. Begin by opening Figma and heading to the Community section in the main file browser. This is where designers share free and paid resources. In the search bar, type phrases like Login Form Template or Login UI Kit. Browse the results and peek at a few previews. Favor templates with solid reviews and features like auto layout, mobile responsiveness, and multiple screen sizes. Those details will save you time later. Popular options such as the Login and Register Form Auto Layout or Login Page Perfect UI are great starting points. When you've found one you like, click Open in Figma. Figma will create a new draft containing all the components from that template. Ready to reuse. Inside the new file, look to the Layers panel on the left and locate the pre-built login screens or individual form components. Select the specific login form you want. Copy it and switch to your own project file. Paste the form onto the design frame where you need it. And position it roughly in place. You can refine alignment using smart guides or the alignment tools so it sits cleanly within your layout grid. Now customize it. With the form selected, use auto layout to control padding and spacing between elements. This keeps everything consistent if you edit, copy, or add an icon later. Apply your brand styling next. Update colors for the background, input fields, and the primary login button so they match your palette and pass contrast checks. Refresh typography by setting the font and text styles for the title. Labels like username and password. And supporting links like forgot password. If you have a logo, place it near the top with comfortable spacing so it feels integrated but not overpowering. Refine the form elements themselves. For input fields, adjust size, corner radius, and stroke or fill style to match your visual language. Consider adding a subtle leading icon for email or username and include a visibility toggle for the password field to improve usability. Finally, tune the button. Update the label, color, and size, so it's obvious and easy to tap. A generous height and clear contrast help. That's it. Thanks for watching.